the lesson for today is how to repair a bread toaster. Alright? I, uh, my friend said it's not heating here, so we'll check the fuse and also the inside components of this bread toaster. Okay, so okay friends, now the first thing we have to check is the fuse, as always. Let's see if the fuse is okay, then we'll proceed with the inside component of this bread toaster. Okay, all right, so there is a continuity on it. Okay, let's proceed with the wire inside. Alright, now this is Kenwood. Alright, Kenwood. Okay. Okay, now we have to remove this Allen's bolt here, and let's see. Okay, what kind of size is this? Yeah, this good. Oh, it's very hard. Oof. Okay, there's one technique on making this bolt loose. Right, is heat it up first, then loosen it with a torch. Maybe 20 seconds is enough. Okay, let's see. All right, moving. Yeah, good. Alright, that's fine. Okay, let's go to the next. Okay, now we can open this. Okay friends, I found the problem here. This wire is connected here, but it was already, because due to enormous heat, it got burned out and removed from this connection here. So we will try and reconnect it, and that is, I think, the only problem with this bread toaster. Okay, heating element is good. So the only problem is this, the connection from this side here, right? So it was cut off. So in order to okay, I have to re-extend it, this wire, and connect it from here. So I have this garbage here, but this one is a little bit small. So what I do is cut it off. So I will connect it by, I think this one is, you see this, I think I'm gonna need this. I'm gonna show you how to use this thing to connect this thing here. So let's strip this off. This is a connector, but it can be useful. Okay na folks, so you remember that this had been taken out from this connector here, alright? I just cut it, and this is good for connecting the line here. So the first thing I will do is connect one line from the side here, and you see that it's good, and crimp it. Okay, crimp it. You see how useful it is, Alright, so that is crimped now, and I will do the other one, right? I will do the other one here. I will put it in, like this, and also crimp it. I will cover that with we call the spaghetti, like this. Okay, now that is crimped. Okay, so that is secured now. So what I do now is just okay, opening another part of this. Okay, another port here. This is loose. See? That's why it got some spark here. So luckily it was not broken around here. Okay, I'm gonna test the heating element here. I think this is the one, yeah, and this one. Oh, good. Heating element is still okay. Let's see the thermal fuse. If it's okay. Yeah, thermal fuse still okay. That's great. So that means this is working. Only this loose one here. That's the one that I fixed. Alright, so reassembly. Yeah, don't forget to return back the ground. That is very important. So that's great. Put the thermal fuse. Put the thermal fuse in place. This is his place here. Okay, now that's in place. Ground is okay. Heating element is okay. So put it back. Something. Let's see. Okay, this is fine. Good. All right. Okay, so it's almost finished. All right, now testing time. We'll see. So the best thing to test is with the bread. Okay, so let us check.
Wow!
Well, it's working. Good. Bon appetit!